Behold the sheer power of the Demag AC 2501, a true titan in the world of heavy lifting. Towering over construction sites, this engineering marvel is built to defy limits. With a lifting capacity of up to 250 tons and unmatched precision, it's a symbol of strength, ambition, and human ingenuity. Imagine the heart-stopping moments when structures weighing hundreds of tons are hoisted high into the sky. The tension, the thrill, the awe-inspiring power of this crane at work. Every lift is a testament to innovation and determination. Feeling inspired by this incredible feat of engineering? If you're passionate about massive machines and love seeing power in action, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your fellow machine enthusiasts. Let's build a community of awe for innovation. The Demag AC 2501 isn't just a machine, it's a force that drives progress. Watch it in action, and you'll see why it stands as a symbol of human potential. So keep watching, stay inspired, and let's celebrate these engineering wonders together.